Build. Build means banana. Fix. Fix means हल करना. Break. Break means विराम. Paint. Paint means रंगना. Glue. Glue means चिपकाना. Sew. Sew means सिलना. Cut. Cut means काटना. Knit. Knit means बुनना. Tie. Tie means बांधना. Stretch. Stretch means खींचना. Untie. Untie means खोलना. Bend. Bend means झुकना. Reach. Reach means पहुंचना. Grab. Grab means झपटना. Point. Point means इशारा. Shake. Shake means हिलाना. Nod. Nod means सिर हिलाकर सहमति देना. Slide. Slide means सरकना. Turn. Turn means घूमना. Slip. Slip means फिसलना. Fall. Fall means गिरना. Lock. Lock means ताला लगाना. Rise. Rise means उठना. Stand. Stand means खड़ा होना. Swing. Swing means झूला. Sprint. Sprint means तेजी से दौड़ना. March. March means आवागमन. Jog. Jog means धीमी दौड़. Rest. Rest means आराम. Dream. Dream means सपना. Sleep. Sleep means सोना. Wake. Wake means जागना. Yawn. Yawn means चम्हाई लेना. Frown. Frown means भ्रू भंग करना. Smile. Smile means मुस्कुराना. Stare. Stare means घूरना. Blink. Blink means झपकाना. See. See means देखना. Look. Look means देखना. Hear. Hear means सुनना. Listen. Listen means सुनना. Feel. Feel means अनुभव करना. Smell. Smell means सूंघना. Taste. Taste means स्वाद. Touch. Touch means छूना. Comb. Comb means कंघी करना. Brush. Brush means brush करना. Wash. Wash means धोना. bath. Bath means नहाना. Sweep. Sweep means झाड़ू लगाना. Clean. Clean means सफाई. Mop. Mop means पोंछाई. Vacuum. Vacuum means vacuum. Wipe. Wipe means पोंछना. Dust. Dust means धूल. Shut. Shut means बंद करना. Scrub. Scrub means मलना. Arrange. Arrange means व्यवस्थित करना. Organize. Organize means आयोजित करना. Pack. Pack means सामान बांधना. Unpack. Unpack means खोलना. Erase. Erase means मिटाना. Iron. Iron means इस्त्री करना. Hang. Hang means लटकाना. Shop. Shop means खरीदारी. Sell. Sell means बेचना. Buy. Buy means खरीदना. Pay. Pay means भुगतान करना. Charge. Charge means आवेशित करना. Save. Save means बचाना. Earn. Earn means कमाना. Spend. Spend means खर्च करना. Invest. Invest means निवेश करना. Borrow. Borrow means उधार लेना. Donate. Donate means दान करना. Lend. Lend means उधार देना. Search. Search means खोजना. Find. Find means ढूंढना. Lose. Lose means खोना. Win. Win means जीतना. Plan. Plan means योजना. Choose. Choose means चुनना. Decide. Decide means तय करना. Guess. Guess means अनुमान लगाना. Solve. Solve means हल करना. Remember. Remember means याद करना. Think. Think means सोचना. Forget. Forget means भूल जाना. Imagine. Imagine means कल्पना करना. Wish. Wish means अभिलाषा. Wonder. Wonder means आश्चर्य. Hope. Hope means वासना. Pray. Pray means प्रार्थना करना. Speak. Speak means बोलना. Talk. Talk means बात करना. Chat. Chat means बात करना. teach. Teach means पढ़ाना. Study. Study means अध्ययन करना. Learn. Learn means सीखना. Practice. Practice means अभ्यास करना. Discuss. Discuss means चर्चा करना. Argue. Argue means तर्क करना. Complain. Complain means शिकायत करना. Explain. Explain means व्याख्या करना. Train. Train means प्रशिक्षण. Joke. Joke means मजाक करना. Play. Play means खेलना. Perform. Perform means अभिनय करना. Act. Act means अभिनय. Film. Film means पतली परत. Direct. Direct means प्रत्यक्ष. Edit. Edit means संपादन करना. Design. Design means डिजाइन बनाना. Invent. Invent means आविष्कार करना. Create. Create means बनाना. Draw. Draw means चित्र बनाना. Sketch. Sketch means रेखा चित्र. Model. Model means नमूना. Sculpt. Sculpt means नक्काशी करना. Build. Build means बनाना. Decorate. Decorate means सजाना. Plant. Plant means स्थापित करना. Drill. Drill means छेद करना. Grow. Grow means बढ़ना. Harvest. Harvest means फसल काटना. Dig. Dig means खोदना. Water. Water means पानी देना. Rake. Rake means जिनाकार होना. Mow. Mow means घास काटना. Chop. Chop means काटना. Trim. Trim means काट छांट करना. Carve. Carve means काटना. Scatter. Scatter means ठहराना. Fetch. Fetch means लाना. Chase. Chase means पीछा करना. Tackle. Tackle means जूझना. Attack. Attack means आक्रमण करना. Score. Score means गणना. Defend. Defend means रक्षा करना. Hit. Hit means मारना. Miss. Miss means याद. Shoot. Shoot means गोली मार. Pass. Pass means पास करना. Kick. Kick means लात मारना. serve. Serve means सेवा करना. Pour. Pour means बहना. Bounce. Bounce means उछलना. Dribble. Dribble means टपकाना. Block. Block means रोक देना. Kiss. Kiss means चूमना. Tickle. Tickle means गुदगुदी करना. Squeeze. Squeeze means दबाना. Pat. Pat means थपथपाना. Command. Command means आदेश देना. Rub. Rub means रगड़ना. Punch. Punch means मुक्का. Murmur. Murmur means बड़बड़ाना. Apologies. Apologies means क्षमा मांगना. Signal. Signal means संकेत करना. Encourage. Encourage means प्रोत्साहित करना. Chew. Chew means चबाना. Swallow. Swallow means निगलना. Bite. Bite means काटना. Spit. Spit means थूकना. Scream. Scream means चिल्लाना. Moan. Moan means विलाप करना. Whistle. Whistle means सीटी बजाना. Snore. Snore means सोते सोते चूकना. Sweat. Sweat means पसीना. Concentrate. Concentrate means ध्यान देना. Slam. Slam means मारना. Inspect. Inspect means निगरानी करना. Identify. Identify means पहचान करना. Judge. Judge means निर्णय करना. Interpret. Interpret means व्याख्या करना. Translate. Translate means अनुवाद करना. Compare. Compare means तुलना करना. Count. Count means गिनती करना. Measure. Measure means उपाय. Select. Select means चुनना.
Subscribe for more content.